Hi, my name is Meg with Girlhack, and here are my NASA Tweetup highlights. Now, many of you know I got selected to witness the very last space shuttle launch, STS135 in Florida on July 8th. It's taken me a little while to put this video together, but I just wanted to share some of the most amazing moments I had, and you can check out the rest on girlhack.com later. So on the first day we got to arrive, which was the day before launch, we had a myriad of VIP speakers and got to see a ton of cool things. One of the morning highlights was Elmo came to say hi. Check out this little clip though to see how Elmo reacts to one of the astronauts' answers of what he likes to eat in space.
What did you like in space, Doug?
Well, most everything that we ate on the space station sort of tasted like warmed up plastic because it's wrapped in plastic.
You're really not supposed to say that, you know that.
Speaking of astronauts, though, that was just beyond amazing that both days, both before the launch, where we had our VIP speakers and everything, and the day of the launch, we got to see so many astronauts. Between 2 and 3 talk to us specifically each day. And one of the highlights was talking with Bob Crippen, who was the very first pilot on the Space Shuttle STS-1 launch. And he really helped shape the program. He's in his 70s now, and it was kind of a little sad. He got teary-eyed as he talked about the program, but it was fantastic. And just the astronauts on launch day, so many of them came out. And every time I get up to go to the bathroom and like walk by all the press tents, I literally saw like 3 to 4 astronauts. You were like tripping over them. But it was just really cool to see like all the people with the right stuff just everywhere and just at the pinnacle of what the human race can achieve and accomplish. So the last highlight I'm gonna mention in this video, and there's more on girlhack.com, is the launch. I mean, I can't not mention the launch. It was so amazing, and one of the highlights of my life, considering it was the last launch, and it's really freaking sweet. One of the things you don't expect, and I was lucky enough to see it from 6 miles away, and this time it was only 3 miles away. And you don't expect the launch to kind of assault all of your senses. The flame is so bright, it's like looking at the sun. You're not ready for it. And then the sound that just rolls in, and you just hear it getting louder and louder as you're seeing the shuttle launch into the air. And suddenly the sound is just upon you of just the magnitude of what it takes to launch something out of this, world, literally. So those are some of my major highlights. As I've been saying, there's so many more on girlhack.com. A bunch of my photos are posted, and photos from my fellow NASA Tweetup people. I highly recommend you all follow NASA Tweetup on Twitter, and you can hear about other great opportunities to see what NASA at the Ames location or the Kennedy Space Center or JPL all over the country, what sort of events they're having happen. And anyone can register and go to this. I was no different than many of the other people who got selected. So with that, thanks again, NASA, and I'll see you all later.